Hey, Jim Carroll, Futurist Trends and Innovation Expert. I'm here in one of my favorite cities. When it comes to the stage, at least, Las Vegas. I figure this is about my 100th presentation at an event here. And look, in this city, I've spoken to 7,000 people over at the Center for the Performing Arts, to events as small as 12 executives sitting around a boardroom. Now, I've got a big responsibility today. I'm with a global manufacturing company that's actually in the crane hoisting space. And they've asked me to come in and do a very customized topic. I'm going to be talking about the impact of the Internet of Things and blockchain upon the manufacturing industry. And look, I'm not putting up a lot of charts about this is what it means and stuff like that. I'm talking about how the world of manufacturing is changing through advanced technologies, and how the very nature of products that are being manufactured are changing through connectivity of the Internet of Things. This is leading to a heightened role for security, privacy, management of very complex manufacturing requirements, as well as very complex oversight of the intelligence in those products. And that's where blockchain comes in. So I'm going to take them on a tour of how their world is going to change in very dramatic ways through the next 5 or 10 years. I can guarantee you I'm going to leave this audience pretty freaked out about the scope of the change, because this is a massive transformative trend. Blockchain in the world of manufacturing, it's absolutely profound. It's not Bitcoin. It's a fundamental change in how we manage process, supply chain, deal with counterfeit parts, manage 3D printing technologies, a lot of very significant change. And IoT, or Internet of Things, it's an even bigger trend. So I'm going to have my work cut out for me. And, the interesting thing is, these folks had a lot of fun last night. My tagline when I get on stage here is, look, I realize, what I do in Las Vegas is I go out and I talk to large groups of hungover people. Going to have some fun with this audience, have some fun with the crowd, but put a very real, serious issue on the table for them. And that's an example of the highly customized type of presentation that I take on. I'm really going to have a blog post about this one because I'm really excited about what we're going to cover. Take care.